Hello, students. Today we are going to begin a new chapter of the ninth standard textbook SSC English medium level. So, the name of the chapter is A True Story of Sea Turtles. But before I begin reading this chapter, let me show you a video on turtles. So, here we go. So we saw some facts about turtles, difference between turtle and tortoise. Sea turtles live for 70 years and tortoise lives for 100 years, and the uh, biggest kgs sea turtle can weigh is 900 kilos. That's like, oh my god. So anyways, coming to the chapter, we were surveying the white-bellied sea eagles. Look at the white-bellied sea eagle. So some people were conducting a survey on the white-bellied. The stomach is white. Can you see? This is white-bellied seagull. In the summer that year, as we roamed the coasts, one of the volunteers in our team saw some shallow pits with white eggshells nearby. So as they roamed across the coast, can you see this is called the coast? As they were roaming across the coastline, they saw some eggshells. Okay. Inquiries with the villagers revealed that they were turtle eggs. So, inquiries, they inquired the villagers, ki, what is this? Have you seen this before? They came to know that these were turtle eggs. This came as a surprise. We had never come across turtle eggs in our walks along the beaches of the Konkan. Now, all this is happening in Konkan in all these years. We decided to study this unusual occurrence further. So, unusual occurrence means this something which is not usual, something that happens rarely. We learned that the beach where we had found the eggshells had been sealed to the public for nearly 1 month. So, this place where there were eggshells, that place was sealed by the police. Public was not allowed to go inside because after people smuggling silver bricks, so some people were found smuggling silver bricks over there. Okay, this is how a silver brick looked like. Were caught in that area, but what we learned further shocked us to the core. In this paragraph, the important words you need to know are volunteers, although you know the understanding of it, but still, volunteers, inquiries, revealed, surprise, sealed, take the word hid, sealed, smuggling. Okay, coming to the next paragraph. Turtles nest along the entire coastline of our state. There are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning. Have you seen a sweeper is trying to clean the beach? If you've been to Juhu Beach or Chowpatty Beach or any beach in the Konkan or at Goa, I don't know. So these are a few people in every village who there are a few people in every village who keep combing the beach in the early hours of the morning throughout the year. When the female turtle comes on the shore to the nest and to lay eggs, she leaves behind a trail. A trail means a mark. You can figure out where the female turtle has come from. Just like a track of wheels on sand. On sand, if you ride a wheel, there will be a trail, a nishan kind of a thing, a mark. The egg hunters follow this trail right up to the nest. Now, what do egg hunters do? They follow this trail right up to the nest because a mother turtle is coming from that nest and then she's going back to the same place. They dig up the nest and steal all the 150 eggs. So, let me explain to you again. She comes to the shore, she lays eggs over there and she goes back to her nest. And there are still eggs already over there, 100 and 150 eggs. So she goes and lays them over there. And what these hunters do, they go and dig and they find out these eggs. These eggs are then either eaten or are sold in the market. So nowadays, with this coronavirus, people in China are eating snakes, crabs, every possible animal. Till earlier, we knew people were eating chicken, mutton and fish, eggs. But nowadays, people eat anything. They eat like oysters, they eat snakes, they eat crabs, they eat prawns, they eat mother cow also. It's a very sad thing that is happening nowadays with animals. So either they are eaten or either they are sold. Now why are they sold? Because turtle is an endangered species. It's a rare species. You don't find so many turtles around. If a turtle is spotted while it is still laying eggs, it is allowed to live till the laying is over. As soon as the eggs are laid, it is caught and then killed and eaten. This ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. However, in India, sea turtles have been given protection by including them under Schedule 1 of the Indian Wildlife Protection Act 1972. This is very important. Some animals are protected, some endangered species are protected by the government. They protect them to keep them safe. That means turtles have been given as much protection as tigers. Therefore, all this business of gathering turtle eggs and killing turtles is carried on in a secret hush hush manner. So, because there is government protection, because there is police protection, the smugglers, the egg hunters, they do everything in a very hush hush manner. This information was distressing. We began to think, I think this word distressing was repeated so many times in the previous chapter also. The necklace, it was repeated. We began to think seriously about it. We decided to undertake a project for the protection and conservation of sea turtles and their nests in Maharashtra. So, these people, what do you think these people are from? Are they young students, or are they from some forum or from some government organization? Let's find out in the next page. But for today, we are doing only till here. So, in short, let me repeat to you that. So these people were surveying white-bellied seagulls, and they found that there were seashells. When they found out seashells, they came to know that whole beach had been sealed for the public because smuggling was going on. And the egg hunters, they tried to follow the trail of the turtle, and they would dig the nest area of the turtle and take the 100 and 150 eggs. And sometimes when they found the turtle laying eggs, they would let her lay the eggs, and after she laid the eggs, they would catch her and either sell her or eat her. Then this ruthless practice is observed in all parts of the world. However, sea turtles have been given protection. Sea animals have been given more protection, if you notice. And so the government has decided to take up a project to save these animals and to treasure them, to conserve such rare animals. We will continue the next part tomorrow.